Hi, this is Paisley Neese.
And this is Gary Larkins.
Here on Channel 10 News.
Today we're going to talk about an interesting topic called progeria, also known as Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, or the Werner syndrome.
Progeria is an extremely rare condition which is characterized by dramatic, rapid aging beginning in childhood. They're expected to live for about 13 to 20 years, but after about the first year of life, you can start to see differences in their growth rate.
First discovered by Dr. Jonathan Hutchison in 1886 and by Dr. Hastings-Gilford in 1904.
Oh, is that why they call it Hutchinson-Gilford syndrome?
Yeah, that makes sense. And here's Dylan Pavelka with more information on progeria patient and how his life has been. Thank you, Paisley and Gary. I'm here at Nick and Bella's homes, and I'm here to ask them a few questions about progeria because Nick Holmes sadly has been diagnosed with progeria. Please follow me. How cute.
Oh, hi, you must be the interviewer from the Channel 10 News.
Yes, I am, and I would like to ask you a few questions about your brother, Nick Holmes.
Sure, anything. Come on in.
How hard has it been for you and your family knowing that Nick would be gone so soon?
It's been very hard for us knowing that he'll be gone so soon.
I'm truly sorry. When did you first realize he was diagnosed with progeria?
Well, most patients find out when they're about a year or two, but we found out August, I believe it was the 16th, 2010, right after his first birthday.
What symptoms did he develop?
Well, there's a lot of symptoms, but Nick was very lucky and only had a few. He has a large head, which most have, and no hair. He has a small chin, and he has very little body fat, and he has some joint problems.
Do you know how common progeria is?
Yeah, in fact, I believe it's 1 in every 4 million newborn babies have progeria. In fact, I think I even have a map over here. So here I have a map. This is all the children with progeria since December 2010. These are all the children.
Wow, how many patients are on that map?
I believe it's 143, but that was as of December 2010, so there are a couple more.
Okay. Well, thank you, Bella. You've been extremely helpful in our search to find and learn more about progeria. Now back to Paisley and Gary.
Hello. Thanks, Dylan.
That was very sad that child was diagnosed with progeria.
I know. I couldn't believe if one of my siblings got diagnosed with progeria, and sadly, there's no cure. But research is ongoing and progress is being made.
A chart that will be shown in a few seconds will show how progeria is carried through generations. Some generations may not be affected at first, but they are carriers, and they will give it to later generations, who some of those people in those later generations will be affected. Some children with progeria have been through a rough surgery called coronary artery bypass to help with the stiffness of blood vessels.
There is a farnesyltransferase inhibitor called lonafarnib, which helps with the bone structure, better weight gaining, better hearing, and the better flexibility of blood vessels.
That sounds like a big help. We should tell Bella and Nick Holmes about this.
Good idea. I'll call Bella right after this. Well, that's been it here on Channel 10 News. Thanks for watching.